Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add the modification that would add feet or leg to your cabinet. So go ahead in your most recent catalog and place your base cabinet. Then you'll want to right click on the cabinet and go to attributes and go to add-ons and base modifications. This MCF mod is under the toe space modifications. When you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of different mods depending on what foot it is that or leg that you want to add to this cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and just grab this first one, and you'll notice that it says, this is the left front. Then go ahead and click the next one for the left rear, and the right front, and the right rear, and then we'll hit apply and OK. And this modification, it will not change the overall height of your cabinet, but it will it'll keep the toe kick on there. It'll recess like 6 inches on the sides or the front or wherever you place the leg, so you can see them on there. And it will change the height of the toe kick area depending on what leg you choose. So that will happen automatically. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are any other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!